Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Okay, today we want to look at this particular question on our screen. It is a question that will tell us, a question that will teach us how to make use of the equations of uniformly accelerated motion. All right. By the time we finish analyzing this question, then you begin to learn, you begin to understand how the equations of uniformly accelerated motion are used. So let's quickly go through the question. It says a body starts from rest. Starts from rest. You can see the keyword there. You remember what I told you about rest, and accelerates uniformly at 7 meters per second squared for 15 seconds. Calculate the final velocity. So these highlighted words are very, very important for us. And we're going to list our parameters based on the highlighted words there. So I want to start reading it again. It says a body starts from rest. Whenever a body starts from rest, if you have watched our previous video, you will understand that whenever a body starts from rest, we said that the initial velocity is equal to 0. They did not mention this initial velocity, but because the body started from rest, then we now draw the conclusion that initial velocity u is equal to 0. And then it says that it accelerates uniformly at the rate of 7 meters per second squared. So our acceleration is equal to 7 meters per second squared. 7 meters per second squared. That's our acceleration. Then for 15 seconds, 15 seconds is talking about time. Of course, t is equal to 15 seconds. Then they said that we have to calculate the final velocity. Final velocity is v now. Yes, v is unknown. So if you look at these parameters listed here, you find out that we have u, a, t, and v mentioned. You understand? So the one that was not, out of the 5 letters we have, the one that was not mentioned is what? They did not mention s. You understand? So we're going to go back to the equations of motion and then know the equation that does not have s. The one that does not have s is the appropriate equation for this particular question. And if you go through the equations of motion, you find out that the one that does not have s is v equal to u plus at. All right? So this particular equation is the one that is most appropriate to solve this particular question given to us. So for that reason, we are going further to substitute our parameters. Remember, we are finding v. We are finding this letter v, which is the final velocity. All right? Okay, that's the final velocity. That's what they asked us to calculate. All right. So going forward, we have that v is equal to, our u is already 0 because the body started from rest. So we have 0 here. Then plus our a is 7. Then our t is 15. All right, t is 15. So when we now multiply 7 and 15, all right, we're going to get, okay, let's calculate it. Let's calculate. Okay, so let's calculate 15 multiplied by 7 is going to give us 105. All right, let's put it down. So here we have 105 meters per second. So 105 meters per second is the final velocity of the vehicle, or of the body. Yes, they mentioned the body here. So that is how to solve it. We are going to solve more questions in our next class so that you begin to have familiarity with what on how you can solve problems using equations of motion. Thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. God bless you.